I know, screen time has a pretty bad reputation, but our phones and devices aren't going away anytime soon. We can either fight to keep technology out of our kids' hands, or we can try to reframe technology in a way that makes it helpful instead of just a distraction. Actually, what if we could help our kids use their devices to grow in their faith? With a little intentionality, technology can be a great way to practice 4 key spiritual habits. Number 1, spend time with God. If you've got readers in your home, try a Bible reading plan together on an app like YouVersion or Dwell, or watch YouTube channels together that teach Bible stories in fun ways for kids or interesting ways for teenagers. And number 2, spend time with others. Technology opens up a whole new world of ways to grow deeper, healthier community with people who are not in your home. For kids, Messenger Kids, FaceTime, and online games allow kids to have fun together online and safely. For teenagers, challenge them to use social media messaging to encourage and uplift each other and have conversations about things that really matter. And number 3, share your story. If your family uses social media, it's a great place for your kids to share what God is up to in their lives. Or you might download a drawing or journaling app that helps them keep track of their prayers, questions, and thoughts and faith stories. And number 4, use your gifts. No matter what your kids' gifts are, there are countless videos, podcasts, books, articles, and other digital resources that can help them develop these gifts. Find some to watch, read, or listen to them together. And don't be scared of technology. Instead, help your kids use their screen time to grow.